Which article of the Indian Constitution prohibits the employment of children? Article 24. Which article of the Indian Constitution explains the manner of election of Indian President? Article 55. When did the Right to Education Act (RTE) come into force? On 1st April 2010. When the Indian Parliament passed the Right to Information Act, 15th June 2005. Which article of the Constitution empowers the central government to suspend the provisions of Article 19 during emergencies? Article 358. As per Article 79 of Indian Constitution, the Indian Parliament consists of the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Which is the first Indian President to vote in the Legislative Assembly? APJ Abdul Kalam. Who compiled the Malayalam dictionary Shabda Taravali? S. Padmanabha Pilla. When the Srimulam Praja Sabha was established? 1904. Whose pen name is Kakanadan? George Varghese. Who is known as the Jhansi Rani of Travancore? Akkamma Cheriyan. Who advised Sri Chitra Tirunal Balarama Varma to issue his famous temple entry proclamation in 1936? Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer. What was the original name of Chattambi Swamigal? Kunyan Pilla. Muthukutti was the original of a famous reformer from Kerala. Who was that? Vaikunta Swamigal. What was the name of the magazine started by the SNDP Yogam? Vivekodayam. Who wrote the book Parkalitta Porkalam? Vakkam Abdul Qadir Maulavi. Saint Kyriakos Elias Chavara was born on 10th February 1805. Who is present Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog? Rajiv Kumar. Who won the gold medal of 100-meter race for men in the IAF World Champion in London 2017? Justin Gatlin. The Operation Blackboard was launched in the year of 1987-88. In which year Dr. Ranganathan enunciated 5 laws of library science? 1928. Library movement in India was started in which year? 1910. Who categorized information sources into conventional, non-conventional, neo-conventional and micro-documents? Ranganathan. Which one is not the primary source of information in the following? Indexing periodical. Oceanography is obtained by which mode of formation of subjects? Cluster. Apupa pattern is related with which process? Classification. What name was given to the rules regarding cataloging by Ranganathan? Canons. What is the full form of MBO? Management by Objective. What is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Who said that library is the heart of the institution? S. Radhakrishnan. Who was the first librarian of New Imperial Library? Macfarlane. The significance of the year 2011 for LIS education in India is centenary year. Biotechnology is formed as a result of fusion. Assertion A. Primary sources provide most authentic information for research. Reason are primary sources are highly unorganized. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Which one of the following is a bulletin board service on internet? Blog. Radio frequency identification is used in library for circulation of document, security of document. In 1974, Zurkowsky used for the first time which of the following term? Information literacy. Who coined the term Library 2.0? Michael Casey. Which protocol does not affect the email communication setup? TCP/IP. Who coined the acronym PostGov? Luther Gulick. The National Library for Visually Handicapped is located at Dehradun. Herzberg's two-factor theory deals with motivation. Which one is the publisher of DDC 23rd edition? OCLC. In classification, the term BSO stands for Broad System of Ordering. Berne Convention 1886 is related with copyright. In CC, main class are divided into facets. Indian Science Abstract is published by INSDAR. Citation indexing was first developed in the field of law. NISCARE full form is National Institute of Science Communication and Information Resources. Which committee recommended 6.5% of university budget for its library? Ranganathan Committee. Identify the secondary sources from the following. Directories. Which one is the volatile memory of computer? RAM. The principle that helps in the identification of personality category in colon classification is residue method. The program that is used to store the machine language program into the memory of the computer is called a loader. Assertion A. WebOpac is a computerized library catalog available to the patron online. Reason are, it can be searched by the user within the four walls of the library only. A is true, but R is false. UNESCO assisted in setting up a model public library in India. That name is Delhi Public Library. When DDC version DOE for Windows was published? 1996. RSS feed is a tool of Web 2.0. Who is referred to as the father of encyclopedia? Aristotle. Mean, media, mode are measures of central tendency. The principle of local variation is associated with cataloging. Dublin Core metadata consists of 15 elements. World of Learning is published by Europa Publication. What is suitable reference source to find out the list of historical monuments of Bangalore? Guidebook. What is correct about UDC scheme of classification? It is faceted classification scheme. Paul Otlet and Henry LaFontaine are associated with it. Who is known as father of artificial intelligence? J. McCarthy. What are two main methods of measuring impact factor of any information retrieval system? Recall rate, precision rate. Who produced the law? L is to N is to N square. Above, relation between the free reference of research journal. Bradford. By which name Delivery of Books Act 1954 was revised in 1956? Delivery of Books and Newspapers, that is Public Libraries Act 1956. The order of thing, material and action among various components of a compound subject was expanded by D.J. Coates. Which of the following are open source content management system? Drupal, Joomla, OpenCMS. Fair use is the term most relevant to copyright. CCF stands for Common Communication Format. The Library Association UK is now the component of CILIB. The network topology in which nodes are connected to a central hub are known as star topology. Who propounded conservative, moderate and liberal theories of reference service? James I. Wire. Arrange the following act according to year of enactment. Copyright, the Patent Act, IPR Act, Information Technology Act. Peter Fair developed this technique, zero-based budgeting. ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network. Caliper is sponsored by InflipNet. Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science is published by Marcel Decker. World of Learning is a directory. The principle of literary warrant was propounded by W. Hume. WIPO stands for World Intellectual Property Organization. Identify the correct order of evolution of the following storage order: clay tablet, paper, microcard, magnetic tab. Source, message, transmitter and receiver are the components of communication model developed by Shannon Weaver. The acronym for Association for Information Management is ASLIP. Routing of periodicals is CAS. In 1966, the MARC as pilot project was launched by Library of Congress. In which year the first Model Public Libraries Act in India was drafted? 1942. Which one of the following is the full name of Melville Dewey? Melville Louis Kossuth Dewey. How many types of common isolates in colon classification? 2. Anglo-American AA code was published in the year 1908. Who stated that to provide the right book to the right reader at the right time? Drury. Concept of reference librarian was first initiated by Samuel S. Green. In reference section, newspaper clipping service is an anticipatory service. The word encyclopedia is derived from Greek word. NDLTD is an e-thesis and dissertation project. Shodh Ganga project is implemented by InflipNet. Delivery of Books Act was enacted in 1954.